Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox crashing and freezing problem. So without wasting any more time, let's start today's video. Experiencing crashing and freezing issues in Roblox can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to resolve these problems. First of all, basic troubleshooting. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. If possible, use a wired connection instead of Wi Fi. Make sure you're using the latest version of your browser if you are playing Roblox on a web browser. Advanced fixes. Clear Roblox cache. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows plus R. Type percentage icon local app data percentage slash Roblox and press enter. Delete the contents of the folder to clear the cache. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your GPU drivers are up to date. You can do this through the device manager on Windows or by visiting the manufacturer's website. Lower in-game graphics settings. Launch Roblox and go to the in-game settings. Set the graphics mode to manual and lower the graphics quality. Disable overlays. Turn off any overlays like Steam, GeForce Experience, or Discord as they can sometimes cause conflicts. Reinstall Roblox. Uninstall Roblox from your computer and reinstall it from a web browser or their official website. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.